Let's start off this video right away by confirming and making it very concrete that mental health is a serious issue in our society. I'd actually rather have a physical injury than a mental injury. A physical injury is healable by itself. Say you scab your knee, you sit on your bed, you don't do too much exercise, and you wait till your knee heals itself. Now, on the other hand, a brain doesn't heal itself by itself. You have to put in the work, you have to seek help professionally to actually heal your brain from the trauma that you've had in the past, or from depression, or from PTSD, anything that you've been through in the past. You have to heal your brain yourself. You actually have to put in the work. And that leads me to the title of this video. Is men's mental health an afterthought? And in my opinion, it really very much is. And it comes down to a lot of the social norms that men have on themselves. Men are embarrassed to come out and say, hey, I have mental health issues and I need help. Why are they embarrassed? Well, just like most men, I've been told by my father and by everybody else around me, are you crying? Be a man. Are you sad? Be a man. Are you hurt from a certain situation? Be a man. Get over it. You need to talk to somebody? Man, you don't need to talk to anybody. Be a man. Those three words have literally been the demise of a lot of great men. A very comforting feeling is to know that you are not the only man that is too embarrassed to talk about their mental health issues to a professional or seek help. It's comforting, yet it's scary to know how many men are actually going through this. I found some research done, and some of these statistics that I'm going to read out to you guys are actually kind of scary. I'm not going to lie to you guys. The first one is from Mental Press Office, and it says a third, which is 33% of men aged 16 to 34 admit that feelings of embarrassment could prevent them from seeking help with their mental health. Another quote that I saw on the Australian Men's Health Forum, overall, girls are around 80% more likely to access formal support than boys. A similar pattern is seen in adulthood, with women with mental health disorders being around 50% more likely to access services than men. It is very, very smack in our face obvious that men are very much embarrassed to talk about their mental health issues, and it's understandable. But now that we know this, maybe it's time to change what we've known for such a long time as men. Disclaimer, I'm not trying to segregate women and men's mental health. I really believe that both sexes go through mental health issues. At the end of the day, we both have brains. The brain is an organ, and once it's hurt, it is very important to go ahead and seek professional help. It is, again, not like my first example, a scab that you can just let heal by itself. The only way you can heal the brain is by seeking professional help, psychiatrists, talking to a friend, watching YouTube videos about this situation. There's a lot of things that you can do to try to make this an easier healing process. But the fact of the matter is, women are more likely to go ahead and seek professional help than men. A lot of men will say, but I gotta be a man. I gotta be a man. Well, okay, let's take that logic and run with it. You want to be a man. Men are supposed to take care of their families. So take care of their wife, take care of their kids. It is our inherent instinct to take care of our family. But how are you supposed to take care of your family if you are not mentally there? If you have so many voices in your head, if you have mental health issues, how are you supposed to take care of your family if you're not even taking care of yourself? I'm gonna say that one more time. How are you supposed to take care of the ones you love if you don't even take care of yourself? It's just a recipe for disaster. And again, the embarrassment to talk about mental health issues from men is literally the demise of a lot of men. If you don't want your demise to be your mental health issues, you're gonna have to decide. You need to decide. The first step to escaping your mental health issues is to decide that you want to take the first step forward to try to change and try to heal your mind. And once you decide, everything else will fall in line. It's kind of like a crackhead. If you have a friend who is a crackhead and you're trying to help them and it's not working, well, it's because they don't want to get off the crack. Once they want to get off the drugs, then and only then they'll be able to get off the drugs. They have to decide in their minds. Now, I'm not saying you're a crackhead, but I am saying that if you want things to get better, you're going to have to actually want things to get better. You need to go and seek professional help. And I know a lot of people do not have the means to speak to a psychiatrist, even though I really believe it's a great investment. I'm here for those people and everybody else in that matter, but I'm here for those people. If you just need somebody to pick you up, go ahead and subscribe. I am not doing this for my subscriber count. I am not doing this for likes or views, or I truly couldn't give less of a shit. But if you want somebody to give you tips, tricks, or even just talk about mental health, talk about how to try to make your day better, then go ahead and subscribe to me, because there's nobody better to help you than somebody who's going through it themselves. I do have mental health issues, and I am more than willing to say it. And I truly believe that if I am able to help just one person with my videos, dude, that is it's awesome. It's awesome for me, honestly. And it's awesome for the person I'm going to help. By the way, I am not going to make this a sad channel. So we're not going to be crying together. We're going to be trying to find the best ways to move on and help your mental and try to progress in the most positive way, okay? So if you're ready for some laughs, if you're ready for some progress in your life, if you're ready to heal your brain, go ahead, subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Deuces. It does sound a little cliche, but if I can change one person's world with my videos, then as the famous Kobe Bryant says, job finished. So see you in the next video. I'm going to start popping them out every single Monday, so stay tuned. If you want, go ahead and click that bell notification if you want to be notified every time I drop a video. And let's get it crack-a-lacking.